everyone, welcome back to Webtech Tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to redeem GolfNow Gift Card online. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Also press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Open up a web browser of your choice. Go to the URL box at the top and type in giftcard.golfnow.com and press enter. You can see this tab that says receive a gift card. Give it a click and scroll down to find all of the information needed in order to redeem your gift card for GolfNow. It says that you can locate your GolfNow gift card number that is available in the email that you received and select the hot deals tea time of your choice. Enter the gift card number in the payment section during checkout and you'll be able to redeem your gift card right away. Simply follow these instructions displayed on the screen and you'll be able to know how you can redeem your gift card for GolfNow. GolfNow is an online booking service for tee times at golf courses. It is the best way to book amazing deals on tee times at 1,000 of golf courses, and that was how you can easily redeem your gift card for GolfNow. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more tutorial videos like this. Thanks for watching.